Racing gas is started. We have win lane break quickly at the start. Moving up for the outside. Red runs and boom, boom, boom. Is down on the inside. Queen Alicia, Ale Storm gas. And then followed her by Action Sailor, Tigerwood, My Ray. While is Speedy Maki is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. We have win lane this time by about 6 lengths. And in second comes entry number 9, Red runs and down on the inside. Boom, boom, boom. Moving up on the outside. Ale, Action Sailor comes next. Queen Alicia, then followed by Storm Gas. Next on line is Tigerwood. Then next on line now is My Ray. While Speedy Makia is still racing in less inside the threads of Tabo. We have win lane by only a length and a half. Coming closer now in second is Ale. Down on the inside is Red Ransom. Moving up for the outside. Queen Alicia. Boom, boom, boom. Tigerwood like twice now. Coming closer is Storm Gas. Moving up My Ray. Action Sailor is Speedy Maki as they swing for Roma. We have win lane by about 2 lengths. Moving up for the outside now is Tigerwood in the middle portion. Queen Alicia last 50 meters. It's all win lane and finally win lane second. Queen Alicia close Tigerwood and number 8 Ale.
4-6, yun lang ang klaro. Win Lane and Queen Alicia. Tapos